Are you a Canadian looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, but feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of exchanges available? Wondering whether to put your trust in a globally recognized name like Kraken, a rising Canadian star like Newton, or a Canadian-focused powerhouse like NDAX? You're not alone. Choosing the right crypto exchange is one of the most crucial decisions you'll make on your crypto journey. It impacts everything from your trading experience and the fees you pay, to the security of your funds and the range of assets you can access. The Canadian crypto landscape is unique. We have specific regulations, a preference for Canadian dollar, CAD, funding options, and a desire for platforms that understand our market. That's why simply looking at global rankings isn't enough. We need to dig deeper and see how these exchanges stack up specifically for us, here in Canada. Today, we're cutting through the noise to bring you an in-depth comparison of three prominent players in the Canadian crypto space: Newton, Kraken, and NDAX. We'll break down their features, fees, security, coin selection, and user experience to help you decide which one is the best fit for your crypto needs. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps, an active trader looking for advanced tools, or simply someone who values low fees and robust security, this video is for you. Let's start by setting the stage. Each of these exchanges brings something different to the table. Newton has gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and low-fee structure, aiming to make crypto accessible to everyone. Kraken, a global giant, offers a vast array of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features, catering to more experienced users. NDAX, a proud Canadian exchange, emphasizes security, regulatory compliance, and a strong focus on the Canadian market. So, how do we evaluate them? We'll be looking at several key categories. 1. Fees, the cost of doing business. Fees can eat into your profits, so understanding the fee structure of each platform is paramount. Newton is known for its competitive pricing. They boast no commission fees on trades. Instead, they generate revenue through a spread, which is the difference between the bid and ask price. This spread is generally quite tight, meaning you get a price close to the market rate. Crucially for Canadians, Newton also offers fee-free deposits and withdrawals for CAD via Interac e-transfer, which is a huge plus. They even cover the first $5 in network fees for crypto withdrawals, which can save you a significant amount on gas fees for certain cryptocurrencies. This focus on transparent, low fees for fiat transactions makes Newton very appealing for Canadian users. Kraken's fee structure is more tiered and depends on your trading volume and the specific product you're using. For basic instant buy-sell services on their main app, a spread is applied, similar to Newton. However, for more active traders using Kraken Pro, they employ a maker-taker fee model, with fees ranging from 0% to 0.26%. Generally, maker fees, for adding liquidity to the order book, are lower than taker fees, for removing liquidity. While their CAD deposit and withdrawal options are available, they might have associated fees depending on the method. For high-volume traders, Kraken offers over-the-counter (OTC) services with potentially better rates. It's worth noting that while their trading fees can be low, the spread on instant buys can sometimes be higher than anticipated. NDAX positions itself with a transparent and relatively simple fee structure. They charge a flat trading fee of 0.2% for both makers and takers. This is a straightforward percentage that's easy to understand. Like Newton, NDAX offers free Interac e-transfer deposits. However, they do have a flat withdrawal fee for CAD withdrawals, which is typically around $25. While their trading fee is higher than Kraken's lowest tiers or Newton's effective spread, the transparency and free deposits are attractive. Verdict on fees: for beginners and those who prioritize simplicity and minimal fuss with fiat transfers, Newton often comes out on top due to its zero commission model and covered withdrawal fees. For high-volume traders who can leverage the maker-taker fees on Kraken Pro, Kraken can be very cost-effective. NDAX offers a clear, flat fee, but its CAD withdrawal fee can be a deterrent for smaller withdrawals. 2. Supported cryptocurrencies, your playground of assets. The range of cryptocurrencies available for trading is a big factor, especially if you're looking to diversify your portfolio. Newton offers a solid selection of over 70 cryptocurrencies. This is a respectable number that covers most of the popular assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and various DeFi tokens. For most casual investors, this selection will be more than sufficient. Kraken. This is where Kraken truly shines. With over 340 cryptocurrencies available, Kraken offers one of the widest selections in the industry. If you're an altcoin enthusiast or looking to invest in less common projects, Kraken is likely your best bet. They are often among the first to list new and emerging cryptocurrencies. NDAX provides a more curated list of around 34 cryptocurrencies. While this is fewer than Newton or Kraken, it includes all the major players and a good selection of well-established altcoins. Their focus is on quality and liquidity for their listed assets, rather than quantity. Verdict on supported cryptocurrencies: Kraken is the clear winner here for its extensive range. If you're primarily interested in the top 20 to 30 cryptocurrencies, all three platforms will likely suffice, but Newton offers a good balance for broader exploration. 3. User experience, ease of use. How easy is it to navigate the platform, make trades, and manage your account? Newton is widely praised for its user-friendly interface. Both their web platform and mobile app are designed with simplicity in mind, making it very accessible for beginners. The process for depositing CAD and buying crypto is straightforward and intuitive. They focus on a clean, uncluttered design. Kraken offers a dual experience. Their main Kraken app is quite user-friendly for basic buy-sell operations. However, Kraken Pro, their advanced trading platform, can be intimidating for newcomers with its complex charts, order types, and tools. While powerful, it has a steeper learning curve. NDAX strikes a good balance between simplicity and functionality. Their platform is generally easy to use for beginners, with a clear layout for buying and selling. They also offer some advanced trading tools for more experienced users, without being overly complex. Verdict on user experience: for absolute beginners, Newton is often cited as the easiest to get started with. NDAX offers a good middle ground, while Kraken can be great for experienced traders willing to delve into Kraken Pro, but potentially overwhelming for those just starting out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.